So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is day 2. So today we will be learning how to create a VM in Azure. So as I mentioned in my previous video, I'm using KodeKloud for this practice session. So let's get started. So I have already started my lab. It's right here. So let's start with the question now. The question is, the DevOps team is planning to migrate a portion of their infrastructure to cloud, and our task is to create an VM for it. So open the portal and I'll apply my temporary username and the password. As you know, in AWS it will be EC2, and then in Azure it's just a VM. So the virtual machine and create a new virtual machine. And use the existing resource group. So in this, they have already created a resource group. I'll just apply it, and then for the virtual machine name, I'll just apply this name which they have mentioned in the question itself, and then the region should be East US. Sorry, West US, and I'll just apply West US over here. And for the virtual machine of which distribution they have provided us, it's Ubuntu Linux. Image should be Ubuntu, right? It should be Ubuntu 24.04. It's not Pro, it's just a normal one. I'll use provided this one, and then let it be in x64 itself, and the standard P1. Size should be here D1S, right? Yes, it should be D1S. And then select. Attach a default NST role. Okay. First of all, disk session is over. So we will go next, and then attach a 30 GB disk to standard HDD. Okay, it should be HDD, standard HDD, and then 30 GB. So in the previous question, they have asked to attach a default MSG load, right? Okay, but check this one as 22. See, by default, the 22 port will be open. So if needed, we can cancel it, but 22 port is required to SSH into the server. So I guess we have completed all the tasks which are mentioned in the question. Now we can click on review and create, and let's wait for the validation. That's fine. By default they have mentioned, and validation have passed. Now we can click on create. We can download our private key. For the SSH key, what is SSH key? I have explained it in my previous video. You can go through that video how to create an SSH key and what SSH key is. So we'll get to know once the deployment is completed over here. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. Okay, it's done. So again, let's go back to our virtual machine. See, this is the one. We can just cross-verify it if everything is correct or not. The virtual name is Exfusion or VM. Exfusion VM. The region should be West US, and then it's Ubuntu Linux. And discuss standard B1, and we have enabled the port as well 22. And let's now click on check and then confirm if you have created it correct or not. So it's correct now. So in this video, we have covered how to create an VM in Azure, and next tomorrow's topic, we will get to know how to create an VM using CLI instead of creating it from the portal. Okay. So thank you for watching. Bye.